Hello YouTubers, today we're going to the DNS 5000 car wash at the Juniors Car Wash in New Boston, Texas. So this is our dirt car wash for this East Texas trip.
What we say?
Let's do this.
Let's do this. Look at the antique truck and tractor. That truck's from the 30s or 40s, not from the 50s. It's older than that, and that tractor's got to be that old too.
Right, a little bit past Dollar General, and there's the car wash.
I see it. I see it. Okay. Here we go.
And there's somebody using it as well.
Boy, it gets better and better. We haven't gotten one car wash.
But
At least
people
correct.
get some action happening lately.
That's right.
And this is a DNS 5000 with that nice signage there.
It's a rare one. Did you see that thing glowing now?
This is rare.
It dropped to the ground. Did y'all see that?
And they're already on spot free, so let me get the money out.
But you know, I'm the best at this. No.
Okay, it could go a little bit to the left.
Never even thought about it, but
Straighten
it
up that
could be
wheel.
the reason.
It is small.
Okay, go
Used
to the left
fit
a little
tight
bit.
things.
Okay, now straighten it out. Okay.
Right here?
Yep.
Okay. This is it. Last wash.
Yep.
Great use of the day.
Yep.
Well, it made him happy. That was great.
And this is our second DNS 5000 video. But this one's more rare.
That's right. And then we start our big road trip next week.
Yep.
We leave Tuesday for Utah, and we just got to be back next Tuesday for Denver.
But Denver's where we're going anyways.
Well, that's the following week. We got plans for this week.
It's hot. Not hot.
Yep.
It's awfully close to the car, but I guess I'm parked good.
Yep, let's see what's going on.
Yep, that's why I hit the wipers for you.
Correct.
Blowers run for 40 seconds. Couldn't give us 60 seconds like it's really that big of a deal.
Correct. Okay, power gloss.
Okay, we'll see what this is all about, right?
Looks like tri-foam.
Yeah, I'm thinking tri-foam.
Yep. And it says tri-gloss.
Tri-gloss. See, that's even better than tri-foam.
Yep.
Tri-foam is old news.
Ooh, nice.
This is a whole new deal.
That's the pink and blue up top, but nothing on the sides. Want to give me a 5-piece?
Clear coat. We've done the power blaster. Now we're on the clear coat.
Yep.
Nothing transparent about that. It's been around. That's pretty neat.
Yep. What do you think, cameraman? Is this an old system or a newer?
Basically, it's an older system, but it looks like they put in those new signages on the side. They designed it pretty good there.
Made it look newer.
Yeah. And we are on spot free.
Okay. There's a lot of moving parts to this wash. I think the maintenance would be higher to own this system.
Yep.
The thing moves around a lot. What?
It's fully digested in the stomach before you I mean, it doesn't even make it to those.
Meat?
Meat.
Oh, is it time for the dryer?
Yep.
Okay.
Go to the... Okay, there you go.
Dryer time.
There we go.
And we already got a car behind us.
And look at the car.
We should go to Outback.
Somebody else should go over there.
Yep.
All right. And there's only one manual bay here at this whole building
That's right.
with the vacuum. All right. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and buy YouTubers. This was the DNS 5000 car wash at the Juniors Car Wash in New Boston, Texas. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.